Hi, I'm Dr. Wells Stewart, orthopedic surgeon with OrthoVirginia in Richmond, Virginia. Here today talking about subvastus knee replacement combined with Mako to give you the fastest recovery possible with knee replacement. Been doing some videos talking about subvastus approach with knee replacement. So I just want to take time to show you a patient video, show you how when we combine the powerful technology of Mako with the anatomy of subvastus, what kind of results we can get. So got a patient video for you. He's 2 weeks post-op. Let's check it out, see what you think. All right, so I've got a patient here who's 2 weeks status post right knee replacement with a subvastus approach with Mako. Go ahead and show me your motion there. Go and kick that thing up straight. Good, and go ahead and bend it back as far as you can. Good, and then, so how was the recovery after surgery? You have a couple days of too bad pain? Okay. And you said you're out walking the dog a couple days after surgery?
Yeah.
All right, that's great, fantastic. All right, but he's doing great, and yeah, I think this just shows the power of Mako and the subvastus approach.